Okay, good morning. It's Thursday, November 29th. We're here at 1010 Richard Street doing the underground parkade. We already finished the first area, so just going to do a quick review of it. We're doing the main drive lanes in preparation for the paint, the surface coating. So this was already sprayed with the detergent, done with the Rotary surface cleaner, and then all rinsed with the turbo nozzle. Came out nice. Sometimes tire marks and whatnot, you know, they're difficult to get out without using a hot water machine, but they're not necessary for today's work application. Just going through here. Hopefully the surface will be all dry when they go to do the coating, of course. Now over here, the next section, I've sprayed the soap down detergent. It's hard to see when it starts to go away, but as soon as I start using the nozzle, it you know, just like a washing thing, it comes out. But we've put down the application and everything for our next stage. The garage isn't too bad as far as you know, being dirty and all of that. I could foresee in the future certainly they should get all the stalls and do that with you know, an oil degreaser. But here we are. We just use a downstream injection, putting a detergent with a bleach solution, and it seems to always work well. So here will be like section 3 that hasn't been soaked yet, but I'm just going to be doing this area now. We're doing the main drive lanes, again, not the individual stalls. And basically what needs to be done is you know, the sand and the dirt layer removed, so when they do the surface texture application, it sticks appropriately. Rash has asked me to, you know, spend some time doing each one of the little drains to make sure they're clean, they're not too bad. Move the mats away from the doors so that, you know, people aren't tracking the water all over. Yeah, so everything's coming out quite nice. I'll take another photo thing on our next step, but yeah, quite pleased with how things are coming out. So I use the surface cleaner, and then with a rinse I'll use the high-powered turbo nozzle, so it you know, does an outstanding job. Thanks guys, talk to you again soon.